Rick Westerhoff. I'm head of digital transformation at Enzasaden. We are a vegetable breeding company. Our mission is breeding to feed the world. We have our headquarters based in the Netherlands. We are active in more than 25 countries. And every day we work passionately with around 3,000 people around the globe. We have grown rapidly in the, I would say, last decade, and also has the amount of projects. This is, I think, one of the main reasons to find a way to manage those projects and portfolios eventually properly. We started our journey when it comes to portfolio management around 6 years ago. We didn't have a portfolio management office at the time. So we first built that from the R&D department. And next to that, also R&D, seed operation, marketing and sales had their projects, business projects, mostly research projects. That amount has grown rapidly. So, and now after, let's say, 6 years, we prepared ourselves in 2023, gathering all the requirements. At the end of 2023, OnePlan was one of the potential suppliers. The rest is history. The first one is the do-it-yourself component. So it's very easy to configure. Also, I think the roadmap for 2025, 2026, that shows a lot of opportunities. It gives us the ability to grow into the solution, but also gives us the opportunity to continue our journey in professionalizing our way we do our project and portfolio management. I think also it's not just a tool, it's also people that drive the success. And I think we also had an easy way of connecting with the people from OnePlan. So that also made a great difference. And of course, when it comes to requirements, because we had to find out if the requirements could match to a certain point with what we needed. And I think, yeah, this supposed to be the best match. The research and the seed operation departments, they have a big need for registering their hours. So time writing is very important because of the subsidies we get out of this. And for the R&D department, this was very important to professionalize and support it with a tool like OnePlan. We created our MVP, I think, within 4 months. And from that moment on, we could already start using OnePlan, managing our projects for the R&D department. And 3 months later, we were also able to do the time writing for the other 2 departments. So I would say within 6 months, we were able to leverage OnePlan. I would say the open mindset within Enza helps by adapting a new solution like OnePlan. The other aspect is, I think, the speed of harmonization, because we did the project and portfolio management for each department in our own way. But by implementing OnePlan and working from this cross-functional team, we really speed up the harmonization on processes. And I think that's maybe the biggest benefit so far. Benefit tracking, that's something we're lacking at the moment. That's maybe not something for 2025, because we have to build a solid foundation when it comes to also reliable data into the system. But that's definitely something for, let's say, 2026 onwards to dive into. We were really lucky. We really appreciated the fact that Gord, Richard and Earl made a visit to our headquarters. We had a very intense week, but very well led by those 3 consultants, very knowledgeable, being able to ask the right questions, not like the questions we could answer right away. We could really start our thinking process, and also it gave them the opportunity to get the smell of the place, understand our business language, and then I think it really helped that we could meet physically, and they're easy to connect with, and I think that's an important one. So there was a cultural fit from the beginning, and it felt like we've been working with them for years. Involve every department, even if they might not be directly in scope of your first, let's say, step. Also the enabling functions, so technical department, to be part of the start of this journey, instead of making it, for instance, an IT festival. So I would say involve different departments, create a go-to team from scratch. That would be my biggest advice. artificial intelligence. I think leveraging Sophia in this case, yeah, that would make huge impact, I think, on our roadmap for the coming years.